All right, my beautiful people. So here's what we're going to be building in the next few videos. It's going to be a fun app, of course, where we're going to be learning a few things, but still doing the things that we've done before. The idea here is to continue to solidify what we've been learning so far. All right. So what we're going to be building, it's going to be this amazing application here called Wait on Planet X. So essentially, as you can see here, it's a simple app, but again, we will be learning a few other tricks, a few other things in the background that we probably haven't learned before. So we're going to have a logo at the top, a very nice icon there of a planet orbiting. Okay, I'm assuming that's planet Earth. And then we will have a text field where we're going to be able to enter our weight on Earth. And once we enter our weight on Earth, then we have a few radio buttons there. What is a radio button? A radio button, in this case it's going to be a radio group, allows us to select only one button or only one option at one time. So in this case we have Pluto, Mars, Venus. So once you enter something, then we'll see to the right there, you will be able to see your weight on that planet. So in this case, if you select Pluto, we'll say your weight on Pluto is 90 pounds, depending on how much, what's your weight on Earth in pounds. All right, perfect. So this is what we are going to be building, folks. I hope you're excited. Perfect. All right, I will see you in the next video.